Hey traders, let me see here. Let me see. Okay, did a lot of trading right at the open though. Um, so I passed an evaluation yesterday, so I got a PA, and I traded at PA, and I got 400. And I want to just be nice and slow about my PA. I've been rushing my PAs a lot, and it would cause a lot of what we call I'm making more than the inconsistency in terms of 30% consistency rule, and I'm also violating the 30% drawdown or of the value. Then it would hit my profit target, but they don't want you to risk on one trade more than 30%, right, of the balance. And usually I'm a little over that, around 35%, then I would make profit. So I had several payouts that were denied because I would make my drawdown would be too big. That's the reason why. So now I'm taking it nice and slow. You can see in my this one. So I have a PA, right? So there, 431. I'm done. I'm going to take it nice and slow on these. And I've been trading this one. I also traded a eval on the on trading view, and I made 888. I'm gonna continue trading that so I can pass maybe that evaluation there. Again, this is holiday season. You don't know what the market's gonna be doing, so it's better to be scalping at least. Don't be trying to hit those home runs. Maybe scalping with more contracts, and that's about it. Um, what else? So let's see. This is what I have on trading view, right? So, and I'm usually not taking the trade on here. Let me see if I can find my other trading view here. And I think that's more confusing for a lot of people if I'm looking at that. Let me see. It's right there. This one. There we go. So I don't have the signal scalper on this one. Okay, so you just have to go by. But you can see what we did here. We went from price discovery, which is right here. This is the top +1, went all the way down to -1, and then some. So now we're at the minus. This is the -2 deviation. Pulling back to the -1, most likely it's going to continue coming down. This is basically your price discovery. Now, if I want to get into this trade here, let me see if I can switch this over to. Oh, do I have my trading panel on here? There we go. Okay, so I can't have concurrent. Understand. Okay. So let me do that. So I can go back here. Log out of that one. Okay, so let me go back in this one. So I can trade on this one, on this platform. Okay, so what do we see here? Not that much. So again, this might be a price discovery. We could actually get maybe 20 ticks on this, because it's really, yeah, let's go for that. There we go. See, that's what I'm talking about scalping. I have 10 contracts in there. You can actually go maybe 25 ticks. So there, you got 20 ticks on that. So now, there it is. I'm already up 1,013. Maybe you can pass the evaluation on this one. So right now we're at the -1 deviation again. This may eventually come back down, and it's going to be a price discovery. But let's see. Again, we have the momentum to the downside. If we want to do this in terms of Fibonacci retracement, we can go over here, get to the 50% around right there. These are 2-minute candles. Looks like, let's see. So again, this is every wave. I don't quite have the signal scalper on here yet. Wait, why am I not? Settings. This should be going on. 9:30. Hold on. See what they have here on the IV session volume profile. What time is this? 8:30, 1600. Okay, that's the difference right there. There, it should be 8:30 to 1600, which is fine. Okay. There. Did it start at 8:30? No. It should be 9:30. Oh wow, this is just so. Let's go back here. It should be 9:30 to 1600. Okay, there. So it's beginning right there. Okay. You can see. Let's see if we can take this. It's gonna break that swing. Oops, took it too early. We can go back down there. Need another push. Yeah, I can't put what over there. It's pulling back. Should have took that 300. So it's breaking that. See that? Let's see if it's gonna. Yeah, see. I should have taken that and bounced off this -3. I might as well just close this out. It's going to try to bounce off this right there. Okay. And I gave back all my profits. $14. Again, there's an eval. This is not a PA, so I'm almost like YOLOing. This you can actually do dollar cost averaging here to minimize that loss. But right now the momentum's upward. That's why I'm not taking. Yeah, there. Here's my dollar cost averaging. $20 left on here. There we go. So we can build in that momentum to the downside. There we go. My target. Yeah. Then you get interesting how that was. Man, it just shot up. What is that going on here? That's really. I don't know why it came back up. It just went up. Those are the algos. Yep. I don't know. Well, test. Well, this test the VWAP, man, they'll probably kill my account. They'll probably kill my account. There we go. See, that's what I'm saying. You have to just scalp, and they won't really bring this down all the way down. So I'm going to bring this up to here. I tested that. They'll just be ranging this thing. Not a much momentum. That's why scalping is better. Don't be trying to hit the home runs like I was trying to do there. See, it gave me a drawdown at 400. Hopefully, we can hit this for a profit. Okay, do we have? Yeah, this is the value area low right there. Probably try and test this. See that there's a value area high, low. Not that there's not much movement if you have that narrow of a channel. There we go. So we got that. It's coming down. In fact, this is the prior day IB low right down here. So where are we here in our trade? We're 2,200. If we can get this down, I'll probably pass this. Let's see. If we hit my target there, I'll probably hit the 3,000 mark. Let's see. It's too scrunched up. So again, it's not getting past this value area low. That's the reason why. We want to have strong momentum to get past this. So get past this, there'll be a price discovery to the downside, testing this -2 deviation. Let's see if we can get down there. Or will this come here and test the VWAP? Basically, it's going to be within the balanced area. See, look at that. Try and test that. See what happens if this closes above this moving average. Then I'm definitely. It's probably going to test that. How many minutes? 1 minute, less than 1 minute. Let's see what happens here. If it closes above that. Then it's going to test that VWAP. It's just basically going to the -1. That's about it. Yeah, see, 25. Creating momentum to the upside. 850, 17. Oh, took the wrong one. Oh, close this note. Got a profit there of. That's going the wrong direction. Need to do a buy. There we go. So now, look at that. Mark, and you, once they hit that one tick above that thing, they already knew they got people buying. Ah, they already knew. There's a tease right there. They already knew. So here we are coming back down strong. I'll just scalp this. There we go. Just get some. Scalp this again. There we go. Scalp this again. They just got people trapped up there. Again, we're hit this value area low. They're using that as strong support. Then you get past that area. So you get down at least the -2 deviation. So they're trying to break it. They need to close. They need to close the bar below that value area low. They need to close it. See, I don't even want to be risking this much, but the thing is, they're gonna try to get up there and come bring it down again. See, they're gonna try to get this create a higher high. You're trapped between what you want to do here. Seriously, and that's how they trap you. So we got 30 seconds here now. There's a value area high up here. Well, they want to break that there. See, they're just playing the very narrow value area. That's a volume profile you can see. Yeah. Yeah, I'm done with that. See? 49. Most likely I'm already done with it. That's when you get over leveraged like that. See, now this is gonna probably go down. And go up. Damn it. So see, there it is. Already blew that account. I have other accounts here, I think. So this the first two, I have 3 more accounts, which I'm not gonna waste my time on this like that. You can only do so many because, like I said, they're right now they're in this range, so you might as well not trade that. They're in a tight range until they want to break out, and I was trying to trade it. So let's look at what's going on here. Right. So that's what it looks like right there. This one I can actually, so this is, there we go. Let's see where. I'll take that. And let me have a tight stop on here. We get stopped out. See how erratic that movement is? Okay, the low is now set there, right? Yeah. Let's see if he's going to try to get down to that low right away. So we're going to go on. Are we going to hit this low here? It's within range of this minus 2 deviation. Here's the, this may go down all the way down here. Let's see. I'll probably scalp another. There. There you go. Oh, don't tell me they're going to try to reverse. Continue coming down. There it is. Continue using it. Man, look how picky they're trying to be. How many contracts are 3? Okay, not that much. There it is. 1,055, and I think I'm done. I don't want to be giving back like I did in the other account. You can only maybe do 1,000, do another day until you get that, you pass the evaluation. Because right now, it's pretty hard. Even though I did it yesterday, I was able to pass the eval in one session. But you need to pick your spots and not try to be over leveraging. Okay. So I'm good on my PA. What else? I'm good on this. I may continue trading this. Most likely it's going to try to get to 1.5 here. The extension down here somewhere. Right here, 1.5. And that's where the -3 is going. So Let's see what happens here. So right now, that's what it looks like. This thing is going, right? There's the 1.5 right there. We just have a pullback here. Then I'm going to take this on. Where's our stop here? It's up here. It's only 5 contracts. That's the reason why. It's not like 10 or 20. Right? So let's see. Probably hit that 55 EMA. Let's see that. And that 1.5 extension is very reachable. Okay, there's 2. I'm not going to add until I see third red. There's 2. There's 3. Look how slow. They gotta try to get people trapped here. I'm gonna take that. Man, that went down so fast. At least I got that. May bounce off this 1.5 deviation. But right now, momentum's down. I have 10 contracts. I'll be okay with that. I don't be over leveraging. This may pull back, bounce off the 1.5 like it's what it's trying to do right now. See? So you can get past that 1.5. There we go. Oh. 2,198. Let me see. Wait. Did I pass? Maybe I had a balance on that before. No, I don't think so. I did. Let's see. What is this? 481. I think I did. I think I had negative balance. Oh, let's see. I'm bringing up Ninja Trade or Rhythmic. Let's see, 481. $2,000. Yep. I'm at 52,427. I can pass it if we hit that target of 1.5, right? Yeah. And then some. Oh, yeah, I could have just gotten more. Most likely he's going to try to hit down here. This is the prior day low right here. The market's going down. Let's see if I can get another. I had to really. This may go up and bite me. See, it's going to test this right down there. See, it's going to probably try to bite me. It's got only 5 contracts right now. There's a reversal bar down. See? Reversal bar up. Down. More bar. See how they're doing that? They didn't complete the reversal bar up yet. Let's see. I just need another red there. There's basically a pullback. Oh, there's a reversal bar up. Man, they're just going and playing around with this. Look at that. So they created a higher high there. You can probably test that 250, that 55 EMA. Unless they have a reversal bar that goes down right here. But they're going to test at 55. Higher low here, create a higher high. That's what it created. I'm back to 1.8. Let's see, you're going to do a price discovery here. This is the -1 deviation right there, I believe. Yep. No, that's -2. I'm sorry. That's -2. Pull back. If this is a strong trend to the downside, though. Yeah, there it is. Well, let's see. They do a reversal bar from the -2. It's a price discovery from the -2 deviation. If not, they will continue now going from the -2 up to the -1 deviation. That's what I'll be waiting on, right up there. Let's see what they do here. Okay, there's a reversal. Will they continue the reversal, or will they bounce off that 21 EMA and 55? Basically, a strong support right there. Here we go. 1, 2, 3 more. They want to continue coming down here. They want to commit. They want to commit at least, not fake you out. See, they might fake. They may still fake me out here. Just trying to move it. There it is. That was it. So I passed an evaluation. Another evaluation on there. 3,300. That's it. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Hopefully you guys are green. And that's all I needed. So I got another evaluation or another PA there. Talk to you guys tomorrow. Stay safe and God bless. And do not try to hit home runs, okay? And hopefully you guys are green. Take care. Bye-bye.